Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the June update for the S23 Ultra. Hey there, just wanted to take a second to talk about channel partner Mint. If you need good, low-cost wireless without that pesky monthly bill, check out Mint. They have great low-cost plans at 3, 6, and 12 months, and all different kinds of data packages with unlimited talk and text. Check out Mint and the link down below. One that was supposed to be a couple gigs, fix a lot of issues, a lot of camera stuff, clean up a lot of things, and increase performance. And leaker over on Twitter, Ice Universe, has just tweeted out that the update has been indefinitely delayed. It looks like they started to roll out overseas, and they found a bunch of bugs in it, users reporting bugs. So they have indefinitely delayed the rollout of that release, and they will likely be making a new version and releasing that. So I don't know if we're going to get a June update and get that big June update, or if it's going to be a July update and they're just going to roll it into that. But as of right now, that update is indefinitely delayed. So if you're expecting that June update on your S23 Ultra, it is not going to be coming out in the next few days like we expected. So at least they caught that before they started rolling it out and fixed all that. So that's a good thing. But those camera updates, those performance updates and stuff like that that we were expecting have been delayed and will not be released for a little bit at least. I'll do another update when we hear more about this. But right now, update is indefinitely delayed. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.